lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Charmaine and I'm also the owner of GlamourEyesByChar. A lot of you have requested that I do a video to show you how I apply these lovely glitters. So this is what this video is going to be about. It's not going to be a full eye tutorial. It's just to give you the steps on how to apply the glitter. This is the glitter that I'm going to be using in the video. It's on my site. It's called Cinnamon Spice and it's a chunky glitter. I definitely will have all the information down below so you can head over to my website. There's a lot of beautiful glitters there. I'm sure that you'll find something that you like. Let's go ahead and start with the tutorial. Alright, so I'm going to be starting with the Inglot Gel Liner in 94. And I'll be using this to cut my crease with. If you don't have this product, it's okay. There's others that you can use, so you don't necessarily have to use this one. This is the brush that I'll be using. It's by Morphe and it's the M224. Again, you can use any brush that you're comfortable with to do this process. So I'm just gonna place it on my lid. So now that's done, I'm gonna go into this Revolution Reloaded Iconic Division palette. And because I want the glitter to really stand out, that's why I placed this gel eyeliner. And that's why I'll be also placing this gold bronze shadow on top of my lid. It is an optional step, you don't need to do this, but this is personally what I like to do. You just wanna pat it on. And by the way, this is just a normal eyeshadow brush. You don't have to use a specific one as long as it's an eyeshadow brush. You don't have to worry if it's not perfect because the glitter is going to be covering it up, and we can also like tweak and whatnot, so it doesn't have to be perfect, so don't worry about it. So now the fun part is to apply the glitter. And there's different options that you can use to do so. Today I'm going to be using this Duo Eyelash Glue, and this is what the box looks like. You can get it from any drugstore and it's not too expensive. Before using that product, I was using this product here. It's by Sephora. It's the Glitter Guard Eyeshadow Primer 24-hour, and it is also great for applying glitter. Just some little tips. I would recommend that you put your eyeliner on first before applying the glitter, and also your foundation and whatnot, I would leave that for the last step. Don't put it on before. I did today, but don't put it on before because glitter is very, very messy to work with. And if you put on your lovely foundation, you're just gonna get glitter all over your face, and sometimes it can be a little bit challenging to remove. So now with this, we're gonna work in sections. You don't wanna apply it all over your eye because it dries pretty fast. So let's go ahead and do it in sections. So let's start here. You just want to brush it on. The glitter that I'm using today is called Cinnamon Spice and it's from GlamourEyesByChar. And I will definitely have a link below for you to check out my website with all these lovely glitters. This is what it looks like. It is absolutely beautiful. I'm not just saying that because it's mine, but it's really pretty. It consists of chocolate browns, golds, holographic. It's absolutely beautiful. So now I'm just gonna take this little brush. It's by Mobilia, and I'm just gonna place it into the container, and you want to just press it on. See, it's already starting to dry, but just press it on. You see how it's sticking? It's that simple. It's just a little bit time consuming. try and do this last part. And don't worry, the glue does dry clear, so you don't have to worry about glue showing through. It dries clear. I'm gonna go ahead and put my lashes on, and I'll be back with the finished look. So that's everything to my video. As you can see, it was very simple to apply the glitter. Just a little bit time consuming, but it's totally worth it. If you have any questions at all, leave them down below. Send me an email. Send me a direct message on Instagram. I'll have all that information down below. Don't hesitate to ask me any questions. That's what I'm here for you, to answer any that you may have. Thank you for watching my video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!